Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. As the oven gradually heats up, gather 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, each weighing roughly 6 to 8 ounces. Position each breast individually between 2 sheets of plastic wrap. Tenderly pound these with a meat mallet or rolling pin until they're about 1/4 inch thick. This technique guarantees even cooking and makes the rolling process simpler. Now it's time to put together the roll-ups. Season each side of every chicken breast with a sprinkle of salt and pepper as per your taste. Then layer about 2 tablespoons of your chosen pesto or marinara sauce evenly on one side of each chicken breast. Next, spread approximately 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the pesto. And if you're so inclined, add about 3 slices of thinly sliced tomato on top of the cheese for each roll-up. Next, meticulously roll up each chicken breast, fastening them with toothpicks to ensure they stay closed. Now let's get these delicious roll-ups on the heat. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a large oven-safe skillet and turn the heat to medium-high. Allow the oil to heat up, then introduce your chicken roll-ups into the skillet and sear until they develop a golden brown hue on every side. Personally, I love using a cast iron skillet for this. You should allow about 2 to 3 minutes for each side to achieve this. Following this, it's time to transition your skillet to the oven, which should already be preheated. Bake these for a duration of 20 to 30 minutes, or until you're certain that the chicken is completely cooked. Once your roll-ups are cooked, remove them from the oven and allow them to rest for a few minutes. Carefully extract the toothpicks, preparing them for service. You can choose to slice roll-ups or serve them whole. For an enhanced flavor, drizzle about 2 tablespoons of extra pesto or marinara sauce onto them. This recipe is flexible, which means you have the liberty to include optional fillings inside the roll-ups like a handful of spinach, a few strips of roasted red peppers or different types of cheese such as mozzarella or cheddar for an extra burst of flavor. Complement these chicken pesto roll-ups with a side of pasta, roasted vegetables, or a fresh, crisp salad for a well-rounded meal. Leftovers are not a problem. You can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for no more than 3 days. Reheat gently in the oven or microwave when you're ready to relish them once more. For more tantalizing recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to Magnolia Moon. Until next time, happy cooking!